you might have guessed already, in order to get this webcam, we have to take a funicular up to the top of a mountain.
Ich habe das gar nicht verstanden. Warum macht man das denn nicht?
This webcam had basically two places to stand. You could either stand in this little space in front of the flagpole and this umbrella, or you could stand in the spot right here in front of the umbrella, which is in the bottom right of the image, which is a very small space to stand in. That's what we chose to do, and we got ourselves in there. I've joined him up on the rock. See, look, we're on a rock. We're on a rock. There's a rock, rock. The webcam is up there. We're here, and we just have to wait for it to update, which only takes a couple seconds. And we'll see if we're in the picture. Because it's fun. Why not?
There we are.
There we are. Oh my gosh. So take a screenshot and then send it to me. We'll add it to this video.
Webcam.
Alrighty. There we go. Awesome, buddy.
All right.
That was a fun webcam because you had to search for the link to the camera that wasn't listed on the web page. And that's what I found about some of these. Well, just investigate before you leave home that the link is either active or there is one. And if there isn't one, you have to go searching, and you can use clue words like Mercure, the top of the mountain, Baden webcam, anything such webcam, and then get it figured out, and then make sure you put that in your notes, and then you can copy that into a browser on site, and then you're good to go. At the summit, there is also an earth cache, which we explored. We got the answers based on the tablets that were nearby. If you enjoyed watching our adventures getting this webcam and the earth cache, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you touch that bell, because that bell gives you notifications every time we upload a new video. Thanks for joining Lyric Lass and I, London Westie, on Cache Canada, and make sure come and see us again for more adventures. You never know where geocaching will take you. Yep. Because a better image is available, Lyric Lass are going to try for that standing up on the rock. Come on up.
I was getting you the answer to the lab cache.
Thank you. We got images upon images, even more than we need, because why not? You're only there once. Signing off here from Germany to another video. Carry on.
Все снял. Видно?